Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to remove link history on your Instagram. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to remove visited link history on your Instagram, then I will show you how to do this. As you can see here, Instagram app, you have to just open this app. In bottom, you will find profile icon, tap on this. Then in top right side corner you will find three horizontal lines. You need to tap on that. After that, here you can see your activity. Tap on this. Then scroll down. Last option you can see link history. You need to tap on that. As you can see, visited link history. You can delete one by one, or if you have to delete all visited history, just tap on clear all. Then tap on clear. As you can see, all link history has been cleared. That's it guys. So in this way you can clear visited link history on your Instagram app. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.